Carbon monoxide leak causing a building to be evacuated overnight, and some people were actually taken to the hospital. CBS News Miami's Gorchow is live at the scene with the new details. Joe?
Maribel, as you can see behind me, the building, each unit has their doors still open as Miami-Dade Fire Rescue continues to ventilate the building after an overnight carbon monoxide leak. Let me step out of the way real quick. MDFR identified the source from coming into the back rear part of the building from a malfunctioning boiler there in the back of Hemingway Villas off of Bird Road and Northwest 94th Avenue. So overnight, here's what happened. Emergency crews came to the building twice. Residents told me the first was around 11 at night. MDFR says they treated someone not feeling well on site, then left. Then around 4:30 in the morning, they were called back out again. This time, more people felt unwell, and the responding crew's carbon monoxide meters sounded an alarm. So that triggered a response. Around 20 units responded, and MDFR forced residents out of their homes. Fire Rescue promptly assessed 60 residents that were here. Fortunately, there were no fatalities. 22 people were rushed to local hospitals for necessary treatment.
They knocked on the door, told everybody to leave their units and to leave the door open, and that there was gas, fumes or some sort in the building.
We've controlled the source of the carbon monoxide and are ventilating the building to bring the carbon monoxide levels down to safe levels. I've called code enforcement, and we will be working to determine what has occurred and return the building in a safe condition back to the owners.
So there's the good news. You just heard it, right? The leak is controlled, and right now code enforcement is looking around. They're evaluating the building to make sure it's safe for residents to return. We did see residents that were hanging out here on the sidewalk earlier today. They've since kind of gone about their day waiting for the all clear sign to go in. Right now, still mostly taped off. As you can see, the red tape behind me says danger on it. So residents still not allowed to go back and be in their homes for right now as they continue to ventilate the building. Again, waiting to make sure the building is safe for all residents to come home. Maribel?